Today, we are talking all things lawns, and not just grass, okay? Grass has been the go-to for as long as people have had houses with yards, but that's not the only game in town, okay? There are some awesome eco-friendly alternatives that are way less thirsty and way more fun. So let's dive into it. First off, let's give credit where credit's due. Grass lawns are a classic. They're soft, they're perfect for barefoot summer moments, but they're also needy, like really needy. Think endless mowing, watering, fertilizing, weeding. If you're looking to break up with your grass yard, these are some alternatives that might just tickle your fancy. Let me introduce you to someone named Dymondia, or some would call it silver carpet. Dymondia is tough as nails. It's low growing, it's walkable, it's perfect for sunny and dry climates. The leaves are this gorgeous silvery green color, and in the summer, little yellow flowers pop up in like little tiny rays of sunshine. They don't need a lot of water. You plant it, you give it some space to spread, and it'll cover the ground like a soft green rug, which you will see here. This is what we just put down, so it'll eventually cover the entire lawn. And people love to use it between stepping stones, around paths, because it just adds the little Zen garden vibes. If your yard has a bit of shade and you're cool with low maintenance, moss might just be your ground cover soulmate. It's super soft, stays green all year, and feels really, really good under your feet. Okay, and the best part, it thrives where grass totally wimps out. Moss is like, oh, you're shady and damp, it's my time to shine. To really get moss going, find a spot in the shade, okay? Keep it a bit moist while it gets established, and voila, you've got yourself a mini moss forest. And fun fact, moss has been around for around 450 million years. So yeah, it's seen it all, and it'll take really good care of your yard. You'll notice too, what we do is we spread out the moss when we put it down, so it will eventually grow all together, but you don't need moss in every square inch because it grows and it grows until it's fully ground covering, which is amazing. Ground covers are basically the underdogs of the plant world. They stay low. They look fabulous, and some even flower. So if you're looking for something like that, try creeping thyme. It's perfect for sunny spots, smells amazing, and pops with the little purple flowers, which bees love. So it's pro-pollinator, thyme's your guy. If you have mostly shade, I would go with a creeping Jenny, which is bright green. It's low growing as well, and it fills up the space super fast. Next up are clovers. You've probably seen it popping up, those little lucky 3-leaf clovers, but it's more than just a St. Patrick's Day icon, okay? Clovers actually are a powerhouse. They're drought resistant, pet friendly, and here's a cool trick. It's a nitrogen fixer, which means it takes nitrogen from the air and gives it back to the soil, making it healthier. So your soil's like, thank you, clover, we love you. And finally, we can't ignore the elephant in the room, okay? It's artificial grass, you guys. Love it or hate it, artificial grass has come a long way, all right? It's low maintenance, it never needs water, and it looks pretty realistic these days. But keep in mind, it can get hot in summer, and it's not as eco-friendly for bugs and birds as, natural plants, of course. I do think it's great in small spaces, maybe in an apartment balcony where you don't have a full yard, you can't put down grass and dirt and all that kind of stuff. It's a good alternative for spaces like that. All right, if you're still with me, here's what to think about. Your climate, how much maintenance you're up for. If your pets and kids will be trumping around in the yard, whether you're going for a mossy vibe, lucky clovers, or that classic green look without the work, there's a lawn alternative with your name on it, okay? Let's get out there and start our ground cover glow up. Your yard will thank you. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more plant and yard and landscaping videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.